right, welcome. This is Technic 360, a formidable tech hub that reviews technological insights, ideas, breakthroughs, advancements, systems, tools, platforms, and a whole lot of others in the tech space. And in today's video, we'll be looking at AI video makers, how you can use text prompts to generate a video of your choice, whether for advertisement, educational purpose, and a whole lot of others. Okay, so before we dive in proper, let's look at prompt engineering. This has to do with the way you construct your text prompts to assign your AI models, in this case, your video maker. So do well to go through this note carefully to acquaint yourself with the tips you require to get the best result possible, okay? A link to this file is already in the description section. So copy, paste it on your browser and you will get to this page, all right? So let's dive in. So in this video, we'll be looking at Fliki. Fliki is a powerful platform you can use to generate video, in addition audio, design, okay? A whole lot you can do with this tool using text prompt, image, PowerPoint, URL from your website, article, blog. Just give it the URL, it will get a video for that purpose, okay? So to start with, we'll make use of a text prompt. Let's copy one of the prompts in our notes. I have over a 20 of them here. Okay, let's look at this prompt number 3, explainer video. Okay, talking about okay, let me see. Let me make use of this prompt. Food beverage advertisements. Peradventure, I own a chocolate store and I want to make a video, a short video to advertise my product. Okay, so I've copied the prompt. Make sure you don't include the quotation marks. Then I come over to Fliki. To start with, let me click on the prompt. Okay, so here you can type in or paste your prompt. So let's paste the one we'll copy it, Ctrl V. So in addition, you can also add maybe an image you want to work with. You want the generator or model to work with. Whatever resource you want to work with, you just put it down here. Okay, drag the file here or browse from your computer. Then you click next. Okay. Okay. So the link to this platform is also in the description section. All right. So we are looking at chocolate, advertising a chocolate outfit. Okay. So it will suggest template for you. Okay, so you pick the one closest to what you are looking for. I want it to be okay, landscape, portrait, square, depending on the platform you want to use your video for. Let's pick square, or what do you think? Or landscape. Okay, let's pick landscape. Let's pick this. This resonate better. We'll click next. Okay. All right. So on this page, under Style tab, which language do you want? English or any other language? Which dialect? Okay. So I prefer US English. Okay. The tone, how do you want the tone to be? Okay, appetizing. Let's use appetizing. The purpose, is it social media advert you want or a website banner, product demo? Okay, let's product demo. The audience, is it for chocolate lovers since we are talking about chocolate, or one for foodies, dessert enthusiasts, let's say chocolate lovers. Okay, chocolate lovers. Script style, writing. Okay, all right. So here it will just suggest something you can use for your advert. If you want to write anything, you can go ahead and do that. So let's say descriptive and advocative, like a luxury food advancement. Okay, let's make do with this, talking about the script style. Script style. Script style. Okay, next. So from your prompt, it will break your prompt into scripts, which you can edit to your taste. Okay, all right. So even if you don't get it all good at first attempt, you can go over it again. Okay, so now here we have a caption: the ultimate indulgence, a symphony of flavor. So this is the write-up that will be used for your video. At any point in time, you can add, remove, change things the way you want. So peradventure, this is what you want to work with. You click next. Okay, customizations. All right, so if you want an avatar for the intro and outro scenes, if you have a brand kit, your brand, if you have a brand kit already, you can import it here. Okay, the media cinematic should be okay for me. The rules voiceover, you can pick any voiceover of your choice. Okay, for me the rules is okay. The rules is okay. So wherever voiceover you prefer, even the gender you can select, the language, just make your choice here. Okay, each section have the freedom to pick whatever you want. When you're done, you click submit. Okay, all right. So if you are getting value from this video, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel Technic 360, and turn on your notification to be notified when other videos are released on this subject or similar ones. Okay, now our video is ready. Remember, we pick landscape. You can see this is a landscape video. Talking about the background audio, you can pick, make changes on the background audio. As I said earlier, your prompt will be broken down to scripts. You can see scene 1 here is the first script, scene 2 is the second script, and they are all editable. Okay, you can edit. So this is what will be used in the write-up when you play the video. Here, this text, you see, pure indulgence. Okay, so you can make editing on any aspect of it. You can add, you can say with Mario Choco. Okay, and when you play the video, you can see it has been added. Okay, okay, for scene 1, you can come over to scene 2 and also make changes. Okay, just whatever you want. Be free to make changes to all aspects and elements of the video, the write-ups, everything. Okay, you can see. Yes. So you can see when you're done, you can pick an audio, change audio, avatar, just what have you. Just be free to make changes. When you're done, you click download and download your video. You can use it on any platform. It's copyright free. It's all yours. Okay, thank you for staying tuned to the end. See you in other videos.